In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create awesome maps in Google Slides. Adding maps can make your presentations more engaging and informative, helping your audience better understand locations and data. Let's jump right in and see how it's done. First, head over to Google Slides. Open your web browser and go to the Google Slides homepage. Make sure you're signed in with your Google account, as this allows you to save your work and access it from anywhere. Once logged in, you'll see your previous presentations, if any. To start fresh, click on Blank Presentation to build your slides from scratch. Alternatively, if you want a quicker setup with some pre-designed flair, you can choose from the available templates. These provide polished layouts and save you time while giving your slides a professional look. With your presentation ready, it's time to add maps. Navigate to the top menu and click on Insert. From the drop-down, select Image, which lets you add visuals from various sources. For this tutorial, click on Search the Web. This opens a convenient side panel where you can find images without leaving Google Slides. In the search bar, type maps or specify a region or map type you need. Browse the result and select an image that fits your presentation. Click on it and it will be inserted directly onto your slide. Once the map is in place, you can resize and reposition it as needed. Drag the corners to adjust the size and hold the Shift key while resizing to maintain the correct aspect ratio. You can also move it around the slide to make sure it fits well with your other content. And that's it. You've successfully added a map to your Google Slides presentation. With these simple steps, you can make your slides more visually engaging and informative, helping your audience grasp your points more easily. Keep experimenting with different map types and placements to elevate your presentations even further. Happy creating, and keep exploring new ways to make your slides stand out.